Welcome to Easy Daily English. Subscribe now to join our community. Ready to level up? Let's go. Hello, friends. Do you want to make your English better? This is a part 2 of learning about adjectives. Ready for it? Listen carefully and repeat after me. Kind, good to people. Lively, full of life. Obedient, listens and follows rules. Polite, has good manners. Proud, feels good about self. Silly, funny in a foolish way. Victorious, a winner. Witty, funny and smart. Wonderful, very good. Zealous, very active and eager. Bewildered, very confused. Clumsy, drops things easily. Defeated, lost a fight or game. Embarrassed, feels shy or bad. Fierce, strong and wild. Helpless, cannot do anything. Itchy, feels like scratching. Mysterious, hard to understand. Nervous, worried or afraid. Obnoxious, very rude. Panicky, very afraid. Pitiful, makes people feel sorry. Repulsive, very unpleasant. Thoughtless, does not think of others. Considerate, thinks of others. Uptight, very worried. Noble, high and respected. Erudite, very educated. Humble, not proud. Eminent, very important and famous. Arrogant, thinks too high of self. Smug, too satisfied. Impressive, very good and strong. Glutinous, very sticky. Mighty, very strong. Immodest, shows off. Broad-minded, open to ideas. Vigilant, always careful. Gregarious, likes to be with people. Prudent, wise and careful. Sympathetic, feels for others. Decisive, makes choices quickly. Wary, very careful. Assertive, speaks with confidence. Optimistic, thinks good things will happen. Pessimistic, thinks bad things will happen. Deviant, very different from normal. Swift, very fast. Great job, friends. Now you know 100 useful adjectives in English. Practice them every day and you will speak better. See you in the next lesson. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.